everyone, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day. Let's have some keto pudding pops. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day. And boy, do I got a treat here. Not only are you gonna like it, but the kids are gonna enjoy this one too. The old-fashioned pudding pop. So easy to make, low fat, low carb, and you get your protein too. Oh my gosh, what a great treat to give your children along with you. You're a big kid too, and you're gonna enjoy this very much. So easy to make, and you make them in these $1 trays you can get from the dollar store. You can't beat this, you guys. So I have used my Quest protein, an isolated protein. Quest is one of the best ones. It's the lowest in carb, and you want an isolated protein, but it's one of the best ones because it's very low carb, and it's great for baking. I've done so much baking with this, and now I've even made an ice cream treat. Oh my gosh. It doesn't get any better than that. So you can do any flavor you want of an isolated protein. Quest, like I say, is one of the best ones. But get yourself an isolated protein in any flavor you want and mix it with your almond milk, your vanilla unsweetened almond milk, or just your unsweetened almond milk, and mix it up in your blender, pour it into these trays, and put it in the freezer. Can't get any easier than this. Actually, you can. If you buy the Atkins shakes, you can use those too. Just buy them already pre-made, pour them into these, and make yourself a pudding pop and give this to your kids too. Great, great, sweet, cool treat. Yeah, it's winter here, but you know what? We're big kids, and ice cream can be taken or eaten. Taken, don't take it from me. Can be eaten at any time. So I love these treats. Now, I'm not going to bite or eat this one in front of you today because I am doing OMAD and I have not broke my fast window right now. But I've had these and I love them. I've had the Atkins style ones, and I've also had them done with the Quest protein. I've tried the chocolate ones. This is the strawberry one. Just, all the different flavors I've tried, and I love them, and I've done the Atkins shakes too. So yummy. The cookies and cream is really good. There's just so many great flavors. But this is awesome, you guys. You definitely have to try this one out. So easy to make. I even added into mine a little bit of sugar-free French vanilla coffee, the creamer for coffee, the liquid one. I even added some of that into my mixture. Just mix it however you want. If you like it a little thicker, if you like it a little thinner, however you want it. But I added in even a better flavor, and I've had it that way before, with the vanilla creamer in it too, the sugar-free creamer. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is so delicious that I just want to take a bite. But I'm really dedicated on this journey, and I've been doing OMAD for so long that I just want to stick with it. I'm down 6 pounds in the last 2 weeks. I'm getting closer and closer to my goal. It was a Christmas challenge I'm doing with my brother on his channel. I'm just super excited about this. But I'm definitely going to have one of these when I break my window today, my fasting window. I will definitely have one. But this is a great treat, and I always like to come at you guys with treats that are lower in fat. If you are still trying to lose weight, the secret to keto is keeping the fat very low and use your body fat to be your energy source. It's very important that you guys understand that, because a lot of people doing keto think you're supposed to eat lots and lots of fat. Well, if you have fat on your body, that is your high fat. So use that, get your weight off, and then when you have no body fat, then you can up the fats, but always keep it good fats with eggs and mayo and butter and olive oil and coconut oil and nuts and avocado. The list is endless, but that's what you want to do for your fats. But right now, trying to lose, you want to keep it low in fat and use your body fat. If you are somebody in maintenance, sure, you can go up, in fats or whatever, but you can still enjoy these. These are absolutely delicious and so fun. This one here, I made just like, one serving, like an 8-ounce serving of the 1 scoop of this, and then 8 ounces of the God, I can't talk here. The unsweetened vanilla almond milk. It made 4 popsicles, so that's perfect. Or not popsicles, sorry, a pudding pop. So, but yes, very excited about this. The children are going to love this. I will have a picture at the end and just real quick how to do it. It's so simple. I mean, like I said, you can even make it more simple by just buying the Atkins shakes and pour them in there and freeze them, and you got a great treat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I want to take a bite, but I'm so dedicated on my OMAD. I want to stick with that, but I know they are delicious. I've had them before, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And you can do this too with the Mio drops, those water enhancers I get. You can also do it with them. You can make a popsicle for the kids. Make your Mio water, pour them in here. You want to add a little bit extra because when things freeze, you notice it kind of loses the flavor a little bit. So you want to add a little bit extra of the Mio to make it a little bit sweeter when you pour it in there. You can even do it with soda. Even put soda in there and freeze them. They are going to, you know, rise up a little bit because of the liquid in it, but you can even make popsicles with soda. I mean, soda pops. So there's, you know, endless ideas for keto and, you know, great for the kids. I'm always trying to help with keto ideas for children too. But yeah, definitely try this out. Low fat, low carb, a great protein source. So I love you guys very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see all of you in my next video. And always remember to keep it keto.